that good?
Yeah, sounds cool. Good morning, everybody. It is April 17th, 2023. It's a Monday. We had like a big rain this morning around 8 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning, so we decided not to go out. We're gonna go around town here in Sibonga. Sibonga. I'm pronouncing it wrong. Been pronouncing it wrong for a long time. But Ario and I are gonna go to the slaughterhouse, check it out. I haven't been there since I think like 2018 or something like that. But we're gonna also maybe go to a construction site, like a new market, new store construction site. Maybe check out how honey rice is made. And we're just gonna see what type of action we can get around town here. And hopefully avoid maybe any police checkpoints this morning. See the water. We had some good rain. Good for the farmers. Wow, nice rooms for rent. This looks laundry shop. This part of town, it's been a while since, I mean, like 5 years since I traveled on this part of town. I remember now. Yeah, this is the slaughterhouse. Don't think anything's going on right now. Empty, okay.
We should do it early in the morning.
Yeah. Stalled out for a second there. Look at the wood. They probably use this wood. A little bit past 10 o'clock in the morning. See, this is all new road. I mean, they're redoing all the roads here in the town of Sibonga. And this comes out on the national highway right here. We got our market is right up here. We're going to go to the construction site. I think that's the next stop Ariel is going to do. We're going to see if we can get in here to see a little construction. Here we go. Alrighty, this is some new Sibonga construction. Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
He knows you, Joe.
He knows the channel?
No, I've seen you. You're doing stuff, and then you're watching them.
Oh, okay. Cool. So these are gonna be like new stores, huh?
Yeah.
One, two, three. Still a lot of work to be done. Looking good. Got workers up here and everything. They're all around. Squeezing the water. Whoa, hey, here you go, boss. 1, 2, 3, boss.
Okay kayo.
Butterfingers. He's got butterfingers. Let's see what's going on in here. Wow, nice. Laying the floor right here. Here's my man. Americano. Yeah.
American.
Yeah.
American.
Yeah, look good, look good. Yeah. Wow, it's a pretty, looks like a heavy duty secure type floor. Lay it in there.
Ilang testimony.
This looks very permanent type floor, you know? The way they put the cement down and everything.
Kung saan ano dire? Boss.
Commercial building.
Ha?
Commercial building. Commercial building.
Commercial building? Kanin dire ba? Ano? Pero kanin dire ba?
Wala siya karang pindahan.
Dahan?
Karang unitop style ba? Karang unitop to.
I like different kind of merchandise.
From to enterprises.
Hardware parts, kitchen stuff.
Hey, marble tag, marble tag. There we go. Nice and solid.
Oh, what's that?
Hey, marble tag.
What's that? Is black?
Yeah. You guys are the metal workers. Yeah, you can talk and work at the same time.
the name of your channel? So that we can subscribe you.
Libasan.
Ano?
Libasan.
Hey, ano? Sige ako mo. Na. Hey, wow, that's good, huh? Good luck.
Gotta get the photo.
Hey, can I give one?
Yeah.
Can I have one?
What is that? Hagwan?
There we go.
Okay.
Libasan.
Libasan.
Ay, wow!
Yeah. Oh, there he is.
Ay, wow, good.
Handsome, handsome man. Looking for a wife, huh? Looking for a girlfriend?
Yeah. No, looking for a boyfriend.
Looking for a boyfriend?
Yeah. Boyfriend, very handsome. Just like me.
Alrighty, 1, 2, 3. Cool, have a great day. There we go, spreading it out. Check her out. 1, 2, 3. Ah, there's the cement guy. Yeah. Here's my YouTube channel.
Yung channel.
Check her out. Yeah, boss. Check it out over here. Ooh, mixing.
Mixing cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
You wanna do a
The baker. Oh, he's the baker. In my YouTube channel, there you go. Thank you. More action right here. Got a lot of construction going on. That looks like a good workout.
Work hard.
Yeah.
Work hard.
There we go. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Wait out.
Even have the chicken. Who's chicken?
Chicken.
Yeah.
For wala. Fight.
Fight. Don't leave home without it. Cool. Walk over here. Ay, ay, ay. Hey, my Wu-Tang. bringing the metal here. Looking good, looking good. My Butang. Oh, nothing like walking around a construction site. How's it going? My YouTube channel, check it out.
YouTube channel.
Yeah, Liba-san Adventures.
You don't have a sticker?
No. very, very low budget. Low budget. Maybe next year. Ah, cool. Looking good, looking good. Ario, get to work. You want to do the sifting, Ario? You want to take over for him and I'll video you?
I will video you.
I will try. Here, Ariel, you can videotape me.
Oh, so what's that?
Alrighty, let me give it a shot.
One shot.
Oh yeah. Oh, you get the feet dirty. Yeah. Is that good? Oh yeah. Show me how it's done, brother. Thank you. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Thank you. That was cool. Alrighty, thank you guys. Alrighty, that was fun. Construction, thank you guys. Thank you, good luck. Thank you, wow, cool. Hope you enjoyed the video here. Wow, nice to see all the development happening. Slow process in Sibonga, but good to see. We gotta visit these guys down here. Give them a quick visit here. Oh yeah. Hey, what's up? Hey, 1, 2, 3. Hey, what's up, Kevin? Production line. 1, 2, 3. All right, thank you guys. God bless.